Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you.
Chika Minute, Bel Mariano has been bestowed as the BBPH official First Filipina Listeners. Diba, lagi siyang una, Choice Award at inaugural Billboard Philippines Woman in Music for the ballad Bougainvillea ni Bel Mariano. Congratulations, Bel Mariano.